morning guys. Let's go guys. Mag-travel tayo today. It's the first night for our travel for today guys. Samahan niyo ako guys. Now going to the bus. See you again later guys. Cancel.
No, cancel. I cancel. Then the driver is in front me. Then I need to open. He didn't just walk.
Just run on.
Oh, because I think the person also like me like that. Cannot.
No, you see.
But I already accepted on the way, so that's why okay.
You can okay.
But I do not know who, so I just wait there for a while.
Kaya tayo guys. Dito na ako sa gate. Tayo. Ang daming makain guys. So, seafood. Ito yung mag-seafood. Mura dito guys sa JB. Dito na ako guys. Sa kakain dito sa JB guys. Dito ako mag-stay over for one night sa JB. Sa part of Malaysia dito guys. Mamaya ulit guys. Thank you. Fish. It's not eat fish. It's chili.
Smoke out there.
Chili ha? Saan na? Layo.
No feeding one.
Nothing. The lucky is over there.
Very nice.
Here is library.
Huh? May library. Look at the view, my gosh.
The view is
Oh,
good.
very, very nice.
Next time, New Year, that time you come.
Okay.
I tell you,
Oh, okay.
until cannot sleep.
Very noisy.
Yes. You can see a lot.
Wow, amazing. So pretty in the night. My daughter that time she stayed 23. You can see also all over KL. That's it.
KL.
This one is JB City. My gosh, it's so pretty. It's amazing, my gosh. This is the downstairs guys. I'm at 19th floor condo. This at Johor Bar. So pretty guys. It's my friend's house. It's my colleagues. So pretty. My gosh, it's amazing. Sino Gibela is the group guys. Hello guys. Nandito na ako sa kondo ng kaibigan ko. Time to rest na, sleep na. Good night everybody. Ito yung room ng bahay niya. Ito nag-stay ng one night. Ganda. Pahinga na tayo guys. Salamat sa Thank you for watching guys. Good night. See you again tomorrow guys. Samahan nyo ako sa aking biyahe na matagal ngayon. At least 3 to 4 days ang biyahe ngayon guys. Thank you guys. Good night. Bye. Love you all.